All right, here we go. Heading out here this morning. Get some work done, get things greased up, start getting things done. It's gonna be a good season. Everyone's in a good mood. It's gonna be fun. So I just saw we'd get this bit cold this morning though. It's like -5 Celsius. All right here at the bottom of the screen what that is in Fahrenheit. All right, let's rock and roll. All right guys, just getting this here. Taking down these. They have the clothesline poles here, right here. We got one here. That's a power line, you don't touch that. And then there's one over here. We're gonna take those two down. We'll see what we can do. We'll use a stump grinder, we'll grind them down a bit. We'll cut them down, see what it looks like. All right, guys. I'll show you guys here what it looks like. Another one done. I'll just show you guys here. Nice sun's out. A little chilly, but everyone seems to be in a good mood. All right, we cut this down here, trimmed it down. Front hedges here. You want us to take out half of it. You want us to take out half of it. I'll show you guys after. I'll go around out back, show you guys what's going on. An older place here that hadn't been cleaned up in a while. See right there? Trim these two hedges right here. Got that there. All along here, we did the top. All right, let's go see what's going on out front here. A little bit early in the season to be doing hedges. Usually we just do trees this time of the year. But the client wanted it done. He said he didn't care. So as I was saying, yeah, I see the hedges here. The client got a notice from the town. The town has a machine that cleans the snow in the winter here. Big machine that comes through, and it was rubbing up against the hedge. I said you should just take him out, but he liked his side here. He thought his side looked good. So he said just clean the other side, trim this all up, make it look good. All right, off to the next one. All right, another little one here. I'm gonna show you guys. Just wanted to get a few branches cut over the pool. He had some big long branches over the pool. We already did it. So you see right here, you see these branches right there. They were coming over the pool. I should have showed you guys before we did them, but it gives you a good idea. It's coming about halfway over the pool right here. The pool's right here. So we just cut those, make them look good. And you had two. See the two right here? They're heading over his little place there, so we cut those down. Just little things. Every little job counts though. All right, off to the next one.